Today I'm going to solve a big mystery for me because every time I wash my bike I cannot get rid of the dirt on the rear wheel. Because I have a chain drive, I will always gain a lot of chain lube and dirt on the rim, so I don't know with what to remove it. I have to try it today and this is what I'm going to find out. This thing doesn't look too good. I have three solutions. I have a car shampoo that I will combine with water, dishwashing soap that I will also combine with water, and the solution that everybody can get, it's a wheel clean spray that I have to check out if it works or not. First of all, I will take this wheel off and then we go to cleaning. Job done, the wheel is off. This is why I hate rear wheels and chain drive, but I love it. I love it because it can wheelie very easy. I love it because it feels very good, but I hate it because it's so dirty and my wheels are looking so bad right now. These are the solutions. Too late for me to put some gloves on my hands. I will start by combining the solutions and split the wheel in three parts so I can clean with each solution one side. So this is the first thing that I should do. So the car shampoo, 50 milliliters per 10 liters of water. I've used one bottle cap for this amount of water. Should be good enough to clean one side of the wheel. Next on my list is the soap that I stolen from the kitchen. Don't tell anybody. I feel like an alchemist right now. We have the car shampoo with water, also the dishwashing solution, and Motul Wheel Clean. That should do a great job. All of them should do a great job. I have the microfibers over here. What colors do you prefer, guys? Let's try the car shampoo on this side. Spray it a bit. Now let's rub it a bit with this microfiber in order to clean out the dirt. So it looks good. On this side I will try the dishwasher solution. I will leave it for a few seconds in order to do its job. So it's just making the dirt a bit softer in order to be removed with the microfiber. This is not what I was searching for. The side that I've cleaned with the car shampoo looks very good. It's not greasy anymore. This side with the dishwashing soap, it's still dirty, it's still kind of oily and I dislike it. But right now I'm going to use the Motul Wheel Clean. They tell you to leave it for 2 minutes, but I don't feel like staying here for 2 minutes. No, none of us will stay for 2 minutes. It's close to a minute right now. Let's clean it. It should work if it's a good solution. This solution smells very, very good. It's minty, very nice. The first thing that I've spotted right now is that the dirt came loose instantaneously. I think this solution really works. It's simple to do it. I just rub it for buff it for a few seconds. So you can see this one is very glossy and there's no dirt. On this side it still has some dirt on it. It still feels oily and sticky. This one looks good. It looks very good, but I still need to work on it some more. I think for at least 2 or 3 minutes in order to buff it really well. But on the side that I've cleaned with Motul Wheel Clean, everything looks very good. It's shiny. It's the most shiny side of the wheel. Right now I should remove the paper tape and clean the whole wheel and the tire very good because it's still a bit dirty on the other sides. To make a better idea about this product, this one it's around $10 to $15, but you can clean your wheels at least 10 or 15 times, because right now this one was new and I've just sprayed it a few times, and I think I will do this in a matter of at least 10 cleanings. The washing solution, the dishwashing solution, is very cheap. You can find it at your supermarket, but it's not the best idea to use. It's around 3 or 4 euros per bottle, but it won't clean very good. The car shampoo, on the other hand, if you have the patience and if you want to buff your wheels very good, I think you can get a good result with it. This one costs around 5 euros per bottle. You can use it as many times as you want it, because I've used only a bottle cap with this amount of water. So if you're going for the Motul, you will pay a bit more, but the job will be easier to do and a lot more faster, and the results will be very clean actually, and very shiny. So my winner for today, it's the Motul Wheel Clean. I would choose this solution because I want to clean my wheels very fast and then go for a ride. Why stay and buff it all day with the car shampoo?